to build your own houses, my little ones," Mother Pig announces, her voice filled with love. The piglet's eyes widen with a mix of excitement.
These type of AI kid videos are generating millions of views on YouTube, making tons of money.
I like money!
And you might think making a video like this is hard, complex, and time-consuming, but it really isn't. Traditionally, you need to switch between many different tools, which can be cumbersome, and then you'd also need to register different accounts for different tools and learn how to use all of them. Now, let me tell you how you can accomplish all this with one single tool, Magiclight AI. One tool that does it all: script writing, generation, editing, and if you click the link in the description below, you can start using it today for free. And if you watch to the end of the video, you have a chance to get a free pro plan. Now let me show you how I made it. We're on the Magiclight website, we can click create, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're going to add our content first, then we're going to add our cast, storyboard, and edit. So we can add a smart script, and this will just be your idea, which will be turned into a script. There's also a basic script, which we can just fill it in all ourselves, or we can use one of the trending scripts. The trending scripts is really cool because you can see the views that the video has received. So say we want to pick this one, for example, we can actually play and see the video that they created, and then we can also see the script plus how many views that it received. Or we can narrow it down from like trending to something kid related or animal related. You can make an entire YouTube channel based off making classic children's stories, and it's super simple and it will look good. We are going to pick this 3 little pigs and we're going to hit run script, and the entire script is going to just show up here. We don't have to do anything else. On the left, we can pick our aspect ratio, so I'm going to pick landscape, we can have our language, mine's going to be English, and we can select our style. There are a lot of different styles to pick from. So I'm going to pick 3D cartoon. Along the bottom, we can pick duration, so we can just pick like automatic, where it's going to ensure that the entire story is there, or we can pick like 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10, whatever you want, or we can even go custom with like exact minutes and seconds. I'm going to leave mine to auto, and then on the bottom right, we can click next. The AI is analyzing our story right now. So our content has been generated. So we have a synopsis, we can see it all here, and then we have our different scenes. So we can see all the different shots for all the different scenes that we want to create. And our story has 6 different scenes and 6 shots in each scene. It is all filled out for us, and we can see the subtitles. We can go through, modify this, edit it, but honestly, just like one click, I have an entire story made for me based off another video that has already been proven to do well. Our video will be approximately 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and you can see in the bottom right how many tokens we're going to use. So we can click next, and that is 160 tokens, and now it is going to go to the cast tab. We can click auto cast, so we have a man. We can edit him if we want, and we can select in, and we can see different characters in the library. We can change his voice, and when we're done, we can just hit confirm. I'm not going to make any changes. We're going to hit next, and now we're coming up with an entire storyboard. On the left, you can see all the different still images that were created for our story. We can see in the top left, we can have like a voiceover. We can choose who's doing the voiceover, and we can see that every single image was generated, and we can see the original prompt on the right if I move myself out of the way, and then we can like update and regenerate any single image we don't like. So say we had this one here where like the man is skipping down the road, and see how it has like the man, the character that we used, that we created. It's going to be a consistent character throughout our entire story, and we like tagging him, and then we give a prompt of exactly what we want. We can make this image again, so we can just say, hey, recreate this image, and it's going to regenerate this one specific image until we like it and it fits our story extremely well. Now you can see our updated image. So the next step is to animate all of these different images. So in the bottom right, there's something that says animate. We can click that, and now we have a choice of what we want to use. So we can do like lip sync, and we can animate just one, or we can animate all of them. And we can literally select all of our clips and animate all of them in one go. So we can say, hey, which model do we want to use? Do we want to use Seed Dance or Kling 1.6 or Kling 2.1? And it gives you the different costs for each one. So we're going to click animate all. We're going to hit next. And you can see this is going to use 2,560 of our credits. And I am using their own built-in model, so you can see here, it says we're waiting in line now for each individual one to be animated. Our storyboard is now done generating all the different videos, so we can actually hit play and you can see exactly what it looks like. So we have the first clip here, and we should go through each clip and you're going to see, okay, like this one doesn't look great. So since this clip doesn't look great, we can click the animate button again, and then we can pick a model to regenerate. So we can use the same Magiclight model to try it again, or we can just click another model nice and quickly. So let's try the Minimax model. I like that model. And you can see that it's going to regenerate this clip here for us. And again, we can go through each one and we can say, okay, that one's good. This one's good. It's kind of zooming in. It's all looking good. And once you go through each clip, you have to just finally adjust the voiceover. So you can do it up here, or we can do it here, and we can click voiceover and we can select the speaker. So we have the speaker for the voiceover, so that's for the entire story, and then we also can adjust the man's voice. So we can hit preview, and we have Laura right now, and when you click preview, it's going to read out the line.
With curly tails wiggling, the 3 piglets set off down the dirt road.
So we have our voiceover that we want now, and then any clip where we have a human with visual face features, we can click animate, and then we can hit lip sync and hit confirm, and we can adjust what the human is going to say. So I just copied this into Gemini, and I basically said, hey, generate this, but as if the human is saying it. And we have some options. What a beautiful day. The sun feels so warm. We're going to copy this in, and now we can hit confirm. So this is going to lip sync, and the guy's going to say exactly what we just told him to say. When you're happy with your storyboard, you can click next in the top right. We have cover settings we can adjust, so we can like quickly adjust this. There is subtitle settings, so we can say, hey, let's add subtitles, and we can say, hey, this is what we want them to look like, so we can add those in. So we're going to pick that. We can add background music if we want, so like just a nice soft music or something. And then we can click generate. We're going to click OK, and our video is now being built. As you can see here, I'm just going to show you like live for a few seconds how fast this video generation actually is, so you can kind of see the numbers going up, but we'll be back when it's done. Our video is complete. We can see a title in the top right that we can actually use, a summary, and hashtags. So they made it really easy to publish this, but let's enjoy watching this video together.
In a sun-kissed meadow, a kind mother pig stands. Her 3 piglets, Percy, Pippa, and Peter, frolic. In a sun-kissed meadow, a kind mother pig stands. Her 3 piglets, Percy, Pippa, and Peter, frolicking at her feet. It's time to build your own houses, my little ones, Mother Pig announces, her voice filled with love. The piglet's eyes widen with a mix of excitement and trepidation at the dawn of their...
I think the voiceover is perfect for this. It's awesome.
In a flurry of snorts and squeals, Percy, Pippa, and Peter embrace their mother in a tender farewell. With curly tails wiggling, the 3 piglets set off down the dirt road, each step echoing their newfound freedom. The sun casts a golden glow upon the meadow.
I love the tails behind the pigs. It's awesome.
As the piglets embark on their grand adventure, ready to face the world. What a beautiful day! The sun feels so warm, I just can't help but skip down the road. His eyes light upon a man.
Obviously, I was playing around with the different voiceovers and stuff like that. I wanted him to say it in her voice, so it just kind of flowed nicely. I think that minor tweak actually looks really good.
Struggling with a cart, laden with straw, sparking an idea.
There he was. I hurried over, my mind buzzing with the idea of my new home. "Excuse me, sir," I said, trying to catch my breath. "Could I possibly have some of your straw? I want to build a house." The man relents. "Well, young man, I suppose I can spare some. Just do not take too much." Overjoyed, Percy responds with gratitude. "Oh, thank you, thank you. You are so kind."
On a sunlit road, Pippa's approach is marked by a polite smile.
So a couple things. You can hear his voice there. It flips back to hers. Just trying to show you the demonstration of the different features. The subtitles down below also are really good. So overall, it's like pretty amazing how fast I did this.
Toward a man burdened with sticks, Pippa gently inquires, Excuse me, would you mind if I took some sticks for my house? The man pauses, then offers a simple, "Sure, go ahead." Pippa approaches the cart, ready to gather the sticks she needs. Under the relentless sun, Peter encounters a man.
The man is very consistent as well throughout. It looks great.
Laden with bricks. Peter's voice cuts through the still air. "I need some bricks to build my house." The man stops, the cart groaning under the weight, and replies flatly, "All right, they're yours." Peter begins the back-breaking work of construction, each brick a testament to his growing resolve. With unwavering focus, Peter meticulously mixes mortar, his hands calloused but steady. Brick by brick, Peter's house rises against the horizon, a symbol of his perseverance. Beneath the open sky, the big bad wolf makes his ominous approach, his shadow falling ominously over Percy's fragile straw house. A sinister grin spreads across the big bad wolf's face as he surveys the flimsy construction. The big bad wolf's hot breath billows, a prelude to the storm about to be unleashed on Percy's doorstep.
I love the animation effect, not just how it looks, like the overall appearance, but I love the little pauses with like the still images. It has like a really nice consistent flow doing that throughout the video, so it looks good.
The big bad wolf's menacing voice shatters the calm. Little pig, let me come in." Percy's defiant refusal echoes from within the straw walls. "No, no, by the hair of my chinny chin chin." The big bad wolf's threat hangs heavy in the air. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." Against the sunny backdrop, the wolf arrives at Pippa's stick house.
Pippa the pig.
A menacing figure. The flimsy structure trembles as a gust of wind sweeps through. The wolf's shadow falls over the fragile home. Little pigs, let me come in." A chorus of voices echoes from within the house. "No, no!" The wolf's eyes narrow, a glint of dark intent in them. The stick house seems even more fragile against the wolf's looming presence.
Obviously, you can keep adding to the content of the story, expand it, make it your own. This tool is phenomenal because you can now create an entire YouTube channel, start making money from your YouTube channel based off all these little animated stories, and they're really easy to make. Again, I'll have a link in the description below. You can try Magiclight AI completely free. Let's talk about giveaways now. 3 viewers have a chance to win a monthly Magiclight Pro plan completely free. Just leave a comment down below to let me know what type of video you want to make with this tool. Register for a Magiclight account using the link in the description below, and then send an email with your Magiclight account to the email address I have in the comments below. And then 3 viewers will be selected to upgrade their accounts completely free. Magiclight AI is so fast to generate these stories, the output is phenomenal. I'll upload the 3 Little Pig story that you saw in this video on my Franklin AI Playground channel, as well as some of the other ones that I'm going to generate before this video goes live. So I'll have a link to this channel as well in the description below, so go check out this channel if you want to see some of the generations I used while using Magiclight AI. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Like the video, it tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content, and don't forget to comment what you want to make with this tool so you have a chance to win a free pro account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news.